Two cakes, same recipe, same base, the only difference is the fat. So which one makes better cake? Let's find out. Both cakes are made with my Blue Ribbon vanilla cake recipe. I'll link it in the description down below if you want to give it a try. Let's start with butter. Butter is solid, so it needs to soften first. 1 to 2 hours in the room temperature or emergency microwave. If it's too cold or not creamed properly, the cake can turn out flat or dense. Here I'm using my quick and easy 1 bowl compound creaming method. Now we cream butter with sugar that adds airs into the batter that helps the cake rise and create finer crumbs. But it also contains water and milk solid, which give amazing flavor. But that water can evaporate over time, so butter cakes tend to dry out faster. Into the oven. Now let's make our oil version right away so we have a fair competition. Oil is much simpler, no softening, no creaming, you just mix it straight in. Because oil stays liquid, it coats the flour evenly and limits gluten development. That keeps the cake softer and stay moist longer. Overall, they are faster, easier, and more reliable. Alright, here's all the results. The butter cake has a tighter, more uniform crumb. The oil cake is a bit taller and more open. And honestly, if you're baking for volume or selling cake, oil is kind of a win. You know, cheaper ingredient, bigger cake. Flavor, butter wins, no contest. That buttery richness really shines, especially in milder cakes like vanilla. But for stronger flavors, you know, like chocolate, banana, carrot, the flavor difference becomes much smaller. Texture-wise, right after baking, both cakes are moist. I would say butter cake is a little bit more tender than oil cake, but just give it a few hours. Or the next day, oil cake stays softer and moister much longer. Oil doesn't solidify or dry out the way butter does, especially in the fridge. That's why cake that tend to dry out like chocolate cake often use oil. So here's the takeaway. For ease, consistency, if you want your cake to stay fresh and moist for days, oil is the absolute winner. But for the best flavor, and if you're serving the cake the same day, butter is unbeatable. Now you can also using both.
Hi, I'm Butter. I'm here for flavor. Oil's here. I bring moistness. We love working together.
Which is exactly what I utilize in my Blue Ribbon vanilla cake recipe. Personally, I use oil more often. Now tell me, you are team butter or team oil? I would love to hear. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other easy recipes. Thank you so much and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.